everybody! So today we are going at the Chambord castle, which is free for people between 18 and 25 this year, and I'm getting 25 in January, so it is now the time or never to go there, and especially because it has been decorated for Christmas, so I'm excited to see that. And we are taking you with us. Can you stop making so much noise?
It's freezing!
But we didn't pay. It was free for us. Free! Christmas! Oh, it's Christmas! Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of our castle discovery as we live in the center of France. We wish you a Merry Christmas or whatever you celebrate, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!